Good morning. What is going on, everyone? We're live in South Texas. Got the 2-minute chart pulled up. Switch that over to the 15-minute. Boom. So we're going to stop sharing the screen for just a minute here. Just a minute. There we go. We get back to sharing. Boom. Got a little bit of news at 10:30 Eastern time. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index. Other than that, that's it. Other than that. Pulling up the hourly chart. Friday's close. Down there at 496. Market kind of gapped up at open last night. Market trading 4 points below VWAP, below the 21 EMA, putting in a couple bearish fair value gaps. We got a pivot point down here at the 523s and a pivot up there at the 683s. How do we have two trading view windows? What the heck is going on here? There we go. All right, market opening up in 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Market opening in 40 seconds. 40 seconds to the market open. Airflow here. Market is open. Pushing down to open a little bit. Dang. Well, could have shorted there right at open. Kind of called it out. Get below that 600, keep going down. Well, market dropped right to that pre-market low, exactly, almost down there at the 581s. Well, Could have taken a short right here below the 600 break and then just trailed it. Gonna try to short here below the 600s. See if we can get this continuation down. See if we can get this continuation down. Come on. Got our stop at 15 points. Come on. Can we get this continuation down? See if we can get this continuation down. Get the continuation down. There we go. Pushing down. Let's go. We can get this break to the downside. Oh, let's get this push on down. Let's push down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get this push on down. Come on. Come on. All right, we closed out. I didn't like that it wasn't really pushing. I could have just moved my stop to break even, but it's just kind of maybe $30 on that. I think we should just be patient now. Oh no, I don't really count that as a win. We risked 15 points and only made $30. So we just gotta be patient. Patient. Yeah, I didn't like that trade we just took. I got out. Fortunately, we didn't get stopped out and lose money, but really the move, my mentor called out a play at 600 break. So right here, if you got short, he took this short right here, but because we didn't take it in time, I wasn't going to get in and, FOMO into it. So we're just being patient, waiting. We got this pivot point down here at the 523s. If we can get this break below 60, we got a pivot point down there at the 523s. See if we can get it. See if we can get it. We're about to be in, about to be in. We got our order fit at 560. Order set at 560. There it is. See if we can get this continuation to the downside. Oh my God. Fucking hell. Damn it. Fuck. All right, taking a small loss there. Get our, I don't know why I listen to him, dude. I do really well when I trade on my own, and my mentor's taught me so much. You know, he's taught me so much, but I feel like whenever I just follow him sometimes, I'm not even sticking to my own strategy. I'm just like, I don't know. 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 I don't know, dude. How did we lose? 345. Oh, because it didn't even fill me at my stop for some reason. For some reason, we didn't get filled at our stop. It pushed it like another point and a quarter. So that was a $345 loss, actually. God damn, dude. All right, well, I'm not taking any more trades on that account because that account is $116 from drawdown now. If we're going to take another trade that's on this account, we didn't wait for a 15-minute opening range. There's our 15-minute opening range, 556.50. High of 626.75. Oh boy, oh boy. We're on a fucking losing streak, bro. We're getting smacked. Dude, look at this. Like, out of the last 9 trades, we lost 7. I don't even know what that was. There was like no real bear flag. Like, why did we even take that trade? We just took it because Patrick said to take it. You know? There was no bear flag. That was just, he was trying to get a break, like a drop, base drop, and it just didn't drop. That wasn't really a bear flag. No, sure. I don't know what to say, bro. Oh, God. Here we go. There we go. And then he goes into that mode. Well, it's breaking out of the 15-minute range now. We're just going to be patient and wait for a bear or bull flags. I can't, dude. Every time I fucking watch that shit, I get thrown off, dude. I don't, having kind of a back and forth moment where do I watch my mentor or do I not? Because it's not helping me a lot of times at this point. You know, he said to get short if it broke through 560s and then it reversed. Like, it just didn't get that clean breakout. So, yeah, now we're just waiting. Now we're just gonna wait. Now it's pushing to. Now we're getting that breakout down to that pivot. now she's dropping. I want to see it close below the pivot and then bear flag below it if we're gonna take another short though. You know what I mean? I'm not getting short 10 points above this pivot. That's for sure. That's for sure. That's what we're not gonna do. This other account, this other account's almost blown now. Unfortunately, we're $100 away from drawdown. So yeah, we're not going to trade that account anymore today. That's for sure. Start trying to add some profits on this other account. We have two accounts right now. Two $50,000 accounts. This one's got no trades on it for the day. This month. So just gonna be patient.
Let's just ask Gemini. What are these green sneakers I see from my screenshots? Nailed it.
Just being patient. Market tried to push all the way down to the pivot, but didn't get all the way there. Reversing at the 527s, and pivot was at 523. So really, we should still be at no trades right now. But we followed Patrick Whelan, who said to get short if the market broke this 560 area or 560 area. So we got short at 559 and got stopped out immediately. So because there was no like bear flag, and I don't like those. So I don't like these kind of trades where it's like rally, base, rally, you know, or it's rally, base, drop, right? Or the other options are drop, base, drop, or drop, base, rally. So the one that he was doing was like this. We dropped base, and then he was saying it would just drop, and it did eventually, but we were early. We got in here. We got in here instead of when it eventually did it here, but it kind of, so I don't like those trades. I like bear flags and bull flags only. And we weren't patient. We didn't wait for that. And we paid for it on one trade so far today. So, you know, that's what you get for not being patient. You know, he's green. Somehow he made money. You know, he knows how to just short here and get out here and like do these little quick scalps, which he has way more experience, so he can do that. But the way we were trading wasn't even how his course teaches you how to trade. So that's more of an advanced technique. So we got to stay out of those because we've been losing doing trades like that recently, just not trading on our own. Like when I started trading on my own after I learned his strategy, I was doing great. You know? You know, I was doing great. But kind of been on a red streak recently. So, yeah. Market coming back up into the 15-minute opening range now. Just going to be patient. We're going to pretend like we're at no trades because on this account we are at no trades. So we'll just pretend like we're still waiting for our setup here, which we haven't seen yet. We want to see a bear flag or a bull flag form above or below the 15-minute opening range. We lost our post-it note thing. Not sure where our post-it notes went. It's all right. I don't really need one right now, but and then he starts cursing and yelling, and I don't need that energy. Starts dropping the F-bomb and cursing off people. Like, I And he would probably say, all right, cool, get off my channel then. All right, I did. I did. I just closed it. Y'all are dirty. You look scruffy dirty from going in that lake yesterday. Bouncing off that 21 EMA on the 2 minute, kind of. Right there up at the 580s. Kind of bear flagging right here on the 1 minute. That's 28.50. I gotta get that break out of the 15-minute range, which is 556. See, we're kind of bear flagging right now. See if we get this continuation down and get to that pivot point or not. I don't want to get below this 550 area, below these previous wicks. See if we get this continuation down below this 550 area. I don't know, this 21 EMA is kind of starting to slope up now. Market might be pushing back up now. We were kind of coming down from market open, down, flat, kind of sloping up now. So this might not be a good spot where you want to get shorter or long. Oh. Don't know. Oh, are we gonna get it? Stop will kind of be like right here at the 65, 64 area. It's gotta go. I don't like it. It's too choppy. Now the 21 EMA is flat. So we're going to be more patient. And even if it breaks and goes down to that pivot, whatever. I don't like how the 21 EMA is like kind of chopping now. See, we want to like stay below. See how we like stayed below the 21 EMA here? Below it. We never crossed over. We finally crossed over here at 10 a.m. Now it's just chopping sideways. So this is where we want to kind of stay out. So no trades right here in this zone right here. We'll just pretend like this is our new account for now. Our other account's on life support. So we're going to stay on this account, get this thing going, get this over 50,000 again, and then on the road to payout. You know what I mean? still haven't crossed over the 21 EMA on the 2 minute, but we have on the 1 minute. So I don't like that. Now the market's just chopping sideways. So might even go take a walk outside for a second. Might take a walk outside real quick, just kind of walk off that first trade that lost. Take a little walk. You're not coming with me. You already went out. No, Daddy's taking a walk. No. My glasses. Stay.
Amazon Fall Favorites are here. Save on fashion, home, beauty, and more. Shop Amazon Fall Favorites now.
Market's still in that 15-minute opening range. Still in the 15-minute opening range, chopping around. Closing above the 21 EMA on the 2-minute now. See, this is why we didn't want to get short in this area right here. We would have been shorting at the bottom, baby. Go lay down. Go lay down. Come on, man. I already fed you guys. What do you want? What do you want from me? Let me listen to it. I'm not gonna listen to corn. Sometimes when the market swings below the 15-minute opening range, and then if it closes above like this blue line, which is the halfway point, they might be able to continue to get that momentum to the upside. So then it's like, if we can see both legs maybe above above the 15-minute range or above the VWAP, above 15-minute range, maybe we can get a long opportunity. But then we got these highs over here. We got these highs over here. So we really want to see it break above that pivot point. And then we got Friday's high up there at 707. So just got to be patient and wait now. Had a big drop and then kind of here and then so we need to wait to see which way the market's heading. They can skip this one.
Down under and all I'll see beyond the wonder till I dream. I know I can make that sacrifice. What is hopeless and what is real? I wish I knew how I feel. I hope I can find that other side. In the shelter, bring me along. There's a place where we all belong. Still I wonder, where's my paradise?
We're going to skip the Takes me back to where we started. When you're alone, follow your heart home. They say home is where the heart is. And be alone tonight. I'm not paradise. Go lay down, boy. I got two dogs that just sit here and just stare at me like, did you take a trade yet? Are you winning, Dad? What's going on? They have no idea.
Coming back, give me a sign. Show me the light. I just wanna get so high. I will carry you to the other side, to another place, to another life. I'll be getting you.
I didn't know my cat was down there. Nasdaq just chopping around at the middle of the 15-minute opening range now. Nasdaq just chopping sideways now. Just chopping right here above the 21 EMA. Kind of at the halfway point. Bulls and bears just fighting it out right now. Fighting it out, seeing who's going to win. We're going to go up to the VWAP. VWAP at 603. It looks like it's trying. If we can close above this halfway point, the bulls might take over and start bringing price up. That's what it's starting to look like. There's a VWAP. There's the VWAP touch. Can we get above VWAP, start closing above VWAP, and start going on up?
Hey Jay, this project might need a bit of shushing.
Bulls and bears fighting it at this VWAP area. Getting rejected off the VWAP a little bit. It looks like we're staying above this 21 EMA for the most part on the 1 minute. So if we can get above VWAP, this like 604 area, I'd be able to get the continuation up. But we still want to see a bull flag. We're kind of bull flagging here, sort of, kind of. I want to get above. I want to close above VWAP though. I don't want to get long right below it. If we get the 605 break above the 610s, maybe start heading on up. But we got the top of the 15-minute range at 627, so I don't know if I want to. I don't know. If we look at the hourly, then we got all this stuff up here. It's kind of tough to get. Long up there. It's an hourly pivot up here at 778. That close above VWAP. Right now it's still kind of acting as resistance. See, that's why we didn't want to get long yet, because it didn't close above. Now it's rejected off that VWAP. Close below this in the 80s. Let's try coming back down. Just being patient. Nothing else to do besides be patient. See what I mean? See what I mean? Got like a big old bear flag under here. Over. Do I want to short here? I don't know. It's kind of like a big bear flag. but I don't want to take any positions inside this 15-minute range. The man, it's kind of tough. It's kind of playing out so far. You know, you got short here at the 78s, pushed 10 points so far. Damn, it's kind of like a giant bear flag here. This is what it looks like on the 1 minute. If it does break. I don't know. Those usually aren't the trades that we take either. So I don't really like that either. Shouldn't even draw the line then. Now it's pushing back up. See, like, we need it to be like doing that for a little bit. Like, we need a slope on the 21, like, you know, short, 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 shorts. Now it's kind of going back up. It could go like this, but just gotta wait. Just gotta keep waiting. Patience. Patience, patience. Ooh. Wow.
No nonsense small businesses deserve no nonsense, no annual contracts, no exploding bills. 5G business internet for just $30 a month. This is connectivity from us with T-Mobile for Business. If you have to ask why it's important to start your day early, here's your answer. Enjoy an early morning with a sausage roll up today. Right now, get two for just $6. And freshness there. Down breathes life into your laundry. This is a AI. Introducing the Nova's app in your PC. That's smarter AI for you. Open your message. This is your get up. Oh, that's a new thing to be scared of.
That's what else we got.
I'm giving you world's the best Wonder Halloween ever.
Choppy this morning. Choppy. Nothing to do yet still. Just trying to see if it wants to break through that VWAP or not. We're above the 21 EMA, but below the VWAP. So we're kind of just in this weird, right in the middle of the 15-minute range, just kind of right in the middle. We gotta wait and see something. Market's still in that 15-minute opening range. Closed above it finally, and then didn't get the continuation. I don't have any brakes on this chair, and we're kind of on a slope. Kind of got to level out the RV a little bit more still. YouTube's going to demonetize this video, but that's all right. We're not making money off YouTube right now anyway. Playing music. Now it's getting that push off the view up again, maybe. Trying one more time. It's trying one more time. The chop is real right below the VWAP again. What the hell is this guy doing? Go lay down, please. Anybody want 2 dogs? Anybody want 2 dogs? I don't think really having dogs in an RV is ideal. You know, especially if you're trying to day trade and focus. Make sure we turn the outdoor speakers off. We are in an RV park now. Still in the middle of that 21 EMA and VWAP. Back again. Back again. So much money that when you walk up, bank teller look at me funny. Know how much I get, know I'm live.
Riding around in the Cali, got OG cushion my body, my nigga. I keep it G and that's Gucci or that Gianni. I'm getting dressed for the airport, the pose for the paparazzi, huh? More money, more problems, not how I see, huh? More money, more Roberto Cavalli, bruh. Damn, ain't it funny how time pass? Only nigga in first class. Now there we go. Now we go. Now here we are. Now there we go. Now there we go. I think again, my things that catch a play, but I'll be back again. Back again. I think again, my things that catch a play, but I'll be back again. Back again.
Not going out, doggies, because you can't just run around here now. See, that's the other thing. Now they got to be indoors all the time because, well, we're at an RV park now, so they don't have 10 acres to run around on anymore. Is what it is. Sorry. Daddy had to make moves. Daddy didn't trade good enough to keep the land. That's the truth. And I also own a residential solar business, and sales have been fucking non-existent. So we got a solar appointment on Saturday. Hopefully we can close that deal, get some commission, get some money on the board for that. I've had no appointments for solar for months, really. I don't know, maybe the universe was just like, we couldn't give you appointments, because when I would make phone calls on my property, like half the call would just cut out. Like I would be talking and you would only hear half of what I was saying. So I probably couldn't do solar sales anyway there. I just had to get out of there. Buying that land was a bad decision. Buying land is not a bad decision, but it depends on where you're at in your life and what you're trying to do with it. Is it going to be a second property just as an investment, or is it going to be where you live? Does it have a house? Does it not have, like, I think I jumped in a little bit too quick, just like on that trade earlier. And, you know, I want to get land again in the future, but just probably wasn't the right time to do that yet. Kind of rushed into that. But my cell phone works good where I'm at now, so hopefully we can close a little solar deal on Saturday. Market just doesn't know what the hell it wants to do. It's pushing above VWAP, below VWAP, above it, below it. Just kind of consolidating here. Kind of got this like this range going on right here. Just ranging. So nothing to do yet. Kind of nervous leaving my dogs in here alone for however many hours that's going to be. I'm going to actually work at the RV park this afternoon, so I won't be tempted to trade power hour in the afternoon because I won't be at the computer. Let's see. I'm supposed to be... Yeah, we're working from 11 to 5. Yeah, I'm like worried to leave them in here. They're going to be in here for 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 6 hours alone, and they like to chew shit. I swear to God, if you guys chew up and destroy anything while you're in here, you're going right to a kill shelter. Okay? Yeah. So you be good while you're in here all day. I don't think there's anything left for you to really fucking chew up. Probably shouldn't say that because you'll find something. You'll find something. Better not chew any of those wires down there. I will beat your ass. Go lay down. Probably just seemed like the worst dog owner ever, just yelling at my dogs. But dude, you have no idea. Sometimes you have good dogs. Sometimes you have bad dogs. Sometimes you have no dogs. I got some bad dogs sometimes. So I'm just here by myself watching them, and then I got to go to work this afternoon. They chewed up a whole book yesterday off my bookshelf. Chewed up a Adidas duffel bag, like just ripped the fucking strap right off of it. And like I had neighbors out in the country that said, if it doesn't serve you, get rid of it. If it doesn't serve you, get rid of it. And they apply that to like livestock, things on the property. Just these dogs they're not guard dogs. They're not guarding livestock. They're not service dogs. I'm not a retired veteran that needs a service animal. So one of them has the potential to be a hunting dog, but I never have time to go hunting. So, and nobody wants dogs right now because nobody can afford them because of the economy. Everybody's like, nope. We got to pay for all that dog food. They're not small dogs. So they go through a lot of dog food. Market's kind of like, looks like it wants to be, it's trending up, putting in higher highs, higher lows here. Kind of bull flagging, I guess, here on the 1 minute. I don't know. Be like a quick scalp. Kind of bull flagging here. We can get above this like 608 area. We can get above this 608 area now, maybe. I don't know. Start pushing up. I don't know. And now it's closing below the halfway point again, like so. I don't really like this. You know, it's got to show momentum. We had nothing between 10 and 11 a.m. For me, that was like an obvious trade. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Market really just doesn't know what it wants to do. It just does not know what it wants to do. Might close it down in like a half hour if we don't see anything, because I got to be at the office at 12 p.m. Eastern time. I don't want to wait until the last minute to start heading over there. And if there's moves after that, we missed it, whatever. You know, there's this market being tough this morning. We got that big push right at open, down. Broke below the 15-minute opening range twice. Yeah, if you would have got short at 555, set your stop to 70. You would have got stopped out because this candle pulled back up. Kind of got like a bear flag. Try it short here. Set our stop up here. And then might take off 5 down here. See if we get this breakout here. And move our stop to break even. Come on. Getting stopped out of break even, whatever. Looked like it was trying to break out there. Made $25 on that. That's hilarious. Whatever. It's not really a fucking win because we risked 300 to make $25. I mean, I might have moved, but that was kind of a fast trade for the day. don't know what to fucking say. Didn't really break out. I mean, it might still break out. Try 1782. See if we can get this continuation down. Come on. Come on. Got our stop set right above this candle right there. See if we can get this move. Here we go to the downside now, kind of breaking out, kind of bear flagging here. Kind of bear flagging. There we go. There we go. Setting the break even, taking 5 out there. There's our win for the day, boys. See if we can get this to continue to push. Continue to push. Continue to push. Let it go, let it go. Below the 15. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on, let's keep going. Keep going down. Come on, baby. Come on. All right, getting stopped out there. There we go. Star Power. How much money do we make on that? There we go. Now we're back. We're back, baby. We don't need our mentor. We don't need to be watching somebody else's stream. We know what we're doing here. We know what we're fucking doing here. You know? We don't need to follow nobody else. We didn't make a whole lot of money on that 243, but we only did 10 micros. I'm small size right now because I'm trying to get this account back up over 50,000 before we trade more than 10 micros. But market continuing to push down. We got stopped out there in the green. You know, it is what it is, but there's the bear flag on the 2-minute. Let's go. All sell orders. So bear flag on 2-minute. Oh. Was there a bear flag? I mean, there was bear flag on the 1-minute. We went all the way back to 854 on that. So that was a kind of a really big bear flag there on the 1-minute. We draw our line here. Our entry was pretty good. That initial entry. But we could have rode that down a lot more probably. Obviously, now the market's down there at the 39s. We got in at 72. Jeez. 72 pushed all the way down to 32. 40 points. 40 points. But we grabbed 14.5 on this. You know, probably shouldn't have trailed so heavy on that last one, but could have made a lot more. Could have hit a 1-to-1. We didn't even hit a 1-to-1 there, but whatever. That's what it looks like on the 2-minute. Kind of came down to that previous low almost. Still haven't gone down to that pivot yet. We got stopped at break even on that one, I guess. Sorry for all the screen switching. I think we're done for the day. Definitely wish I would have got a little bit more money out of that, but that's all right. Took 5 out here, 5 out here, and then it pushed a lot further down. But kind of got another bear flag forming here. It's kind of steep though. That's a steep one compared to that previous one. If we can get below that 44 or 45 area, we might come and touch that pivot. 20 points? I don't know. Oh, she's going. Let's try one more. Can we get that pivot or not? I don't know. I'm not holding it because we're already at 4 trades. I think we need to be done. We had a weird start because we were watching Patrick and we took a weird trade that we normally wouldn't have taken. We already had this big move right here. The reason why I'm wanting to take another trade is probably because I wish I would have made more money on this trade, but you don't try to make it happen on another trade right after. Yeah, you get a retracement back up to this 21 EMA again, maybe. We're kind of bear flagging again, but we didn't get that push all the way to the pivot. I have to get this break below the 45s, kind of. And then it's only going to possibly go to like 23. So it's like, do you really want to do that? Probably not. Probably not. We should probably just be happy that we got this trade. It was a clean breakout. I was a little early on this first one, I guess. We got in at 78. If I would have just been able to withstand this, it only went up to 85. So I moved my stop too early on that one. Our entry was beautiful. So stopped at break even, moved stop loss early. And then we re-entered immediately after. That's what happened there. So we had a beautiful entry probably here at the 78s. We should have had our stop at 15 points, which would have been at 93, which would have been, way up here. Would have been way up here. We would have caught all that. 78 pushed all the way down to 32. That was a 46-point move. That was a beautiful move. That should have been like our one and done trade for the day that we waited for. You know what I mean? So we put some money in this account. We're green on that account and red on this account. Overall, we still had a little bit of a red day then, unfortunately. But I gotta stick to doing like the same thing every day. I gotta either watch this stream or not watch it. I think I need to not watch it and just do me. You know what I mean? Just do me. I need to just do me, man, because We lost 64 bucks today. Basically, a very small loss. And we would have lost no money had we just done our own thing. You know? If we would have just done our own thing, you know? If we would have just done our own thing, we probably would have had this at 15 points, not moved our stop loss, let it play out, take partials down here, and then hopefully trailed better. Definitely could have hit a 1 to 2. So, look, now it's kind of chopping. So, all right, guys, I think that's it for the day. We're going to end it here. No more trades. And I mean that. I need to also start being honest with myself and stick to what I say I'm going to do, not take trades off camera. A couple times I've taken trades off camera where I've made money, where I've lost money, and I don't want to do that. Like, if the camera's not rolling, I don't want to be trading. Simple as that. That's got to be a new rule. So, market kind of did a beautiful breakdown here once this candle closed. We got in at 958. So we pushed when we got below this area right here. Our initial entry was 78, which is beautiful. Our entry was great there. Followed the strategy. It was rejecting off that VWAP, started close to the 21 EMA again, closed, and then we started pushing below this kind of this wick right here for a breakout on the 2-minute. So there it is. That's it for the day. Red on one account, green on another account. Overall, $60 in the red. But that's it, which is crazy because we had 3 winning trades and 1 losing trade. But 2 of those winning trades were like quick scalps where we got stopped to break even, and then not even a 1-to-1 win. So, all right, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow. I promise we won't be watching any other streams in the background. I'm going to be focused. I know I keep saying that. And then I'll go and watch this stream, and I'll catch a big win with them. I'm like, oh, maybe I should just keep this stream on. And it's like a false sense of confidence. I need to be more confident in myself. I've done really well on my own, so I need to just keep doing that when we have losses or wins. So we're going to do that tomorrow. And, yeah, market pushing back up to that 21 EMA there. So, all right, y'all. Peace out. We'll see you tomorrow.